We are working on the Scaling Readiness Lab, which is one of our events at this year's ViennaUp. It's going to take place on the 3rd of June from 2 to 4 in the afternoon at the library of the Technical University of Vienna. And we're doing that in cooperation with I2C, which is the incubator of the TU Wien.
Yeah, the Scaling Readiness Lab is mainly for startups who have gone through their first part of growth. They are in revenue, they have product market fit, and now they are preparing for the scaling phase. And this has several components. So we are going to discuss in the Scaling Readiness Lab anything about people, how to prepare the organization, how to steer the organization well, whether the go-to-market is ready, whether all internal processes are ready, whether the tech side and the legal side are fit for scaling, as well as some strategic components, whether the scaling strategy is fine. And it will all take place within a 2 hours workshop.
Yeah, we expect the workshop to be very interactive. We also prepared a scaling readiness assessment tool, which we are going to look at throughout the workshop. We are going to discuss and interpret results, and we hope for a very interactive, engaging session.
So please register if you haven't done so. It's for registered participants only, and we are looking forward to hosting you and discussing this very important topic for scale-ups.
By the way, we are going to offer this workshop on a more regular basis in the future via the Academy, via the Konsultori Academy, but also via workshops through our accelerator partners. So please stay tuned and then check out the upcoming workshop sessions.